How to get pink lips, quick methods. Tip number 1. Exfoliate with a toothbrush. One of the best ways to get naturally pink lips is to regularly exfoliate your lips with a toothbrush. All you need to do is dampen a soft bristled toothbrush and gently rub your lips using small circular motions. This sloughs off dead skin and stimulates blood flow to the lips, making them soft and pink. Tip number 2. Make a lip scrub. An alternative method of exfoliating your lips is to use a homemade sugar scrub. Simply combine 2 tablespoons of coarse white or brown sugar with 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Apply a little of this to the lips and gently rub in for 30 seconds to a minute before rinsing with warm water. Tip number 3. Moisturize. Frequent and intense moisturization is key when it comes to getting soft, pink lips. Use your favorite hydrating lip balm during the day and slather on a layer of petroleum jelly at night. This is particularly important during periods of very hot or cold weather, as these conditions cause lips to become dried out and flaky. If you prefer more natural moisturizers, try applying cocoa butter, coconut oil, or even olive oil to your lips. Tip number 4. Completely remove makeup at night. Leaving lip makeup on overnight can cause lips to become dried out and even discolored. Make sure to remove lipstick and lip liner with an effective makeup remover or cleanser before bed. No excuses. If you run out of makeup remover, a little olive or almond oil on a cotton ball will effectively remove any lipstick or liner. Tip number 5. Wear lip balm with SPF. Sun damage can dry out lips and cause them to become burned or discolored. To avoid this, you should always wear a lip balm with an SPF to protect your lips in sunny conditions, such as at the beach or on ski holidays. Tip number 6. Quit smoking. The tobacco in cigarettes can stain lips, turning them dull and dark. Therefore, one surefire way to improve the appearance of your lips is to stop smoking. This can be difficult, but your lips, and lungs, will thank you for it. Tip number 7. Stay hydrated. In addition to moisturizing your lips on the outside, you should make an effort to hydrate them from within. You can do this by drinking plenty of water every day, somewhere between 6 and 8 glasses. Also try to eat fruit with a high water content, such as melon, tomato, and cucumber. Tip number 8. Avoid licking your lips. Although your natural reaction may be to lick dry lips in order to moisten them, this can actually cause lips to become even more dry. As a result, you should avoid licking your lips whenever possible. Try carrying around a small lip balm instead, so you can moisturize your lips whenever they feel dry. Please like and share this info with your friends. Also subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.